Morning, planty friends, or good evening, or good night. Today we're gonna go plant shopping at Trader Joe's. I have never been to Trader's Joe's before, ever, and I'm literally so shocked. The prices of these plants and the plants that they had. I cannot wait for you to go check this video out because, like, honestly, girl, it is kind of far. It's like, I think like 40 minutes from where I'm at. But it's like close by where my mom lives. So every time I go see her, I'll go to Trader Joe's. Also, I got my blanket on because like I just woke up and I need to post this video like today. Because later on I'm posting an IKEA shopping video. And after that, I'm like doing some business stuff right now. But I'm so excited and so stoked for other content that we're producing right now. Because like, girl, like I just finished talking to it's just like off the video. But like I just finished talking to a nursery here in San Antonio, or I think it's not from San Antonio, but they have the most rarest plants and uncommon plants that you would never ever see. And I got us there. So we're gonna go there on Saturday. I think you might see the video on Sunday, I'm not that sure, but oh my god. And then today we're gonna go to, I'm hoping we can go to multiple nurseries. I just wanna do some repotting. But today we're gonna go to Trader Joe's and I wanna show you what they had. I also did got a plantita and I will be showing you what I got at the end of the video. If you're new, hi, welcome. My name is David. We do a lot of plant shopping here, a lot of plenty content here. So if you seem to enjoy that, consider joining us because girl, we do a lot of it. So yeah, let's just go. Let me go and show you what they had. Alrighty, plenty friends. So there will be a little bit of like, you know, like coming in and coming out with the audio, but as y'all can see, they have these beautiful massive calathis for such a cheap price, you guys, and they're so big. Like, and they have some monsteras for $12.99 and I missed it. Like, look at that price. Look at that price. It's crazy. They're huge. Damn, look how big this is that I have. Oh my god. Like, what on earth? I would have loved to take in one, but like, I know it would have get spider mites and bugs. I don't know what it was to collect this, but I just cannot keep them happy. This is crazy. It's a shame that they get bugs so easily. I was just so shocked how huge and massive these leaves are. I got pretty big hands, and do you see how big that leaf was? Lord, oh my god. They were so big, you guys. And for $12.99, like, where has Trader Joe's been in my life? Like, oh my god, I've been missing out so much. Wow. And they have these beautiful small plants too, or it's called assorted foliage decor pots for $7.99, which is a decent price, but I love the cash pots. Very different, but super duper beautiful. Look at that pepperonia. Oh my god, I like this one. Get it.
You're gonna get it?
Get it, bitch.
But you see there's a lot of like, oh.
Okay, then put it back there. I love my boyfriend so much. If it wasn't for him, you guys, I would have been even broke. Because like, I struggle to control myself. Like, I'm pretty good. I have my moments when I can control myself, but when I'm like shoved cheap prices with beautiful plants on my face, I just go crazy. My plant crazy, like it just comes out. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to act, and all I want to do is just add it to carts and bring it home and add it to my jungle. But he was right. I could get the pepperonia for like a lot cheaper at Lowe's, and those I think it was like a lemon fern. I think so. But they were just such a great price, you guys. Such amazing for gifts. And over here we have some beautiful cactuses too for a really great deal. And I loved how they came with these pots too. They're just so cute. They were so cute. Like, look at this little, and they had little patitas. It has tiny little legs. Oh my god. I love you, Trader Joe's. Like, I don't know who is y'all's plant person, like the company, but like, amazing. Just like flabbergasted. Like, get one?
Of those?
Yeah. Get that one. And hold it. Bitch, okay. Get this one then. Like, holy. Okay. think this is, I just want it to be longer though. And they have these massive, these ficuses. But before all this, y'all, my boyfriend, I love him so much. It's because like there was literally a truck in front of us. All this like that you seen, it wasn't from the store. It was because there was a truck right behind us, and they were like looking at us, and he was so. Wait, I don't think I have this one, but not the white one. It has these ficuses. Oh my lord! And then in slow mo. Wow. No, but like huge shout out to the truck that was behind us. If it wasn't for them, this video would have been a lot difficult to see. My phone is pretty good at picking up low light. Oh my god, look at that leaf. I did got one of these, and I will show you at the end of the video what I got. But that's why my boyfriend was making those faces, because like, obviously because it was like late, even though we sleep like at 12. I think it was like 8 or 7, because it closed at 9. But my boyfriend does have like also like social anxiety. We're like social anxiety buddies, so when we go shopping we like to be together, because if not we get like anxious. But yes, like I felt so bad for him. I did got him his favorite thing, which is hot Cheetos, and I'm planning on getting him some Subway today because he loves Subway. So I'm gonna spoil him today for being an amazing boyfriend, and he's also working for me, so he is getting paid to do this. But oh my god, look at that. Wow. Look, that leaf looks sick now. We're just like from like unfurling.
Unfurling probably.
Hold this one back. I like that one. His face is so cute. Also, if you guys didn't know, he does have a YouTube channel. He does like, I don't know if you guys can hear the fish tank in the background. He does fish tank videos, and he's a begonia person. So I will have his channel in the description box as well, in the comment section pinned. So go check out his channel, you guys. Go support him. Support my boo-boo. Oh my god, look at that plant. Stunning. Because look, I don't know if you can tell the difference. This one's like red. ¿Verdad? Like it has like a red color. And then this one is like white. Like has like a creamy yellow. I'm just not sure which one I have, but this one has both of them.
Where is it?
It's in the dining room.
How come you just don't go back to your past videos?
God damn it. I hate it when you're right. I just can't get over. Okay, I think that one's good. Let's go inside and see what they have. Oh, and they have these too. What the fuck? Like, they actually have good stuff. That's good. Alrighty, I thought that light would be like super duper bad, but got my mom some eucalyptus. These are like 2 different eucalyptus. You guys can barely see, because she loves that. And I got the ficus. Copyright. I got the ficus. You guys, I'm like so excited. I'll give you guys close-ups in the house. But I honestly love Trader Joe's. It was kind of like a different vibe. That was my first time ever being there. I'm trying to like shove it in so it doesn't like break the leaves. It was my first time being there. I was so confused like on the check. I was like, what do I do? But everybody was super duper nice. It was great. I liked it so much. Really far.
Yeah.
But so worth it though. So you liked it?
It was pretty good.
I'm gonna come here more often. So yay! Girl. Okay. So here's the plant that I got for $12.99. Girl. It has 3 plants, I think so. So we have the beautiful. So I was right. I do not have this one. It has I said white, but it's like cream yellow. It's like a little creamish. Kind of cute. I do have the red one, and I also have the. God damn it! I'm so bad. Burgundy. I have this one already, but I'm happy that I got another one. I just love these so much. Mine are doing so good. I will show you right now. They're doing super duper good. I give them a lot of light. And I'm just really excited to grow it, and I love it so much. My mom also did like the eclipses, I think so. I think she was just tired. I was so in shock that they had such amazing plants. I don't know if they always have that, but the price like a monstera, and I don't even know what kind of monstera they had. A monstera for $12.99. Like, what? I think it was a big girl. So I'm in love with my little I call these rubber trees, but they call tinikis, something like that. I really need to invest in some plant labels. I really gotta do that. I was doing that like 2 years ago, and that helped and worked, but I almost like doing it again. One of these days I'll go on Amazon and buy some. I'll buy some name tags so we can go and label my plants that I do not know how to label or pronounce or call, so I can learn. But I'm so happy with my plant purchase. You want to say hi? You know, this is Valentino. Ben. He's so fluffy and soft. You put this down, okay? Yeah, baby. Yeah. Ooh. You like jumping, don't you? You like jumping, you like your squeaky? You like your squeaky? I'm sorry. I know baby talk is like so cringy, but like it just comes out. I just caught myself. But that's basically you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Sending positive vibes to each and every single one of you guys. And I might see you later on. We're gonna go. I have an IKEA video. I might post it today or tomorrow. I'm not that sure. And then I want to do a repotting video. And after that, I want to go to some local nurseries and film some more shopping videos because they're just fun. And they're having some really great stuff right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and drink some more coffee, make some breakfast for my boyfriends and I in Valentino. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Oh, he said bye too. Actually, he was reminding me that I forgot to show you. Thank you for letting me know I forgot. I know, I'm terrible. I'm sorry. I know, baby. I'm so wrong. See, this is the one that I hate of. You see how she's a little bit reddish? Like she has like a beautiful tan. Like she's slaying for days. This is one of its newest leaves. Right? Isn't she pretty, Baba? Oh my god. And then I have my other one, but yeah. You guys can see. But yeah, and my money tree is doing so good. People have been asking me what kind of light I use. It's Celtic Miss Girl. And it's not because there's a web. It's not because like they send it to me. They're kind of expensive though. They're just kind of cute. Honestly, there's a lot of other cheaper alternatives, but they're great. They work. Yeah, baby. Yeah. He wants his breakfast already. Okay, guys. Bye.